I'm back again with another CPN video. If you've been wondering if a CPN can be used with a business to boost that business, then this is the video for you. Don't forget to stay tuned to the end, because at the end, I'll be giving you a list of lenders that work good with businesses and CPN numbers combined. All right, so let's go. Okay, again, it's your boy CPN SHAWTY here with another jewel about business credit, CPNs. Will it work? Does it work? What's the best way to use it? So let's dive right in. Don't forget, this video is actually coming because another member wrote a comment down below, told me what they wanted to hear. And since your boy CPN SHAWTY knows his way around, I thought I'd go ahead and drop this jewel for you. So go ahead and help other people out. Like this, share this, subscribe to this, and leave comments. All right, let's dive right in. So number one, business credit, it's one of the hot things smoking, but you gotta have personal credit, all right? You gotta have your personal credit up to par. If your personal credit isn't at least a 640, you're gonna be struggling. So that's where the CPN comes in. Imagine now you have your CPN, you have a 700, 720 credit score because you went to a company like CPN Generator. I'll leave a link below. And you hooked up on one of their packages, and like their $9.99 package that comes with 2 Tradelines and a guaranteed 700 score. Okay, so you have that package, and let's say you have your LLC over here. Now, this is for educational purposes only, and past clients have told me what they've done, and like they went ahead and they had a company, they had a CPN, they applied for a business credit card and they got it. So I'm like, wow, how'd you do it? It was that simple. So you just gotta put together the steps. Now, compare that to your real credit. What happens is they pull your real credit, they do put an inquiry most of the time, and the account actually lands on the business profile. It doesn't land on your personal profile. So that's how it works. They want to see your personal file to see what your score is, what your high limit credit cards are, and then usually they'll mirror that with a business credit card. So if you have some high balance authorized user accounts on your CPN and you go apply, cha-ching, your boy CPN SHAWTY. Yeah, go ahead and hit that like. All right, so look, again, it's some good people at CPN Generator. I sent some of my clients, so I can't tell you what to do, I'm just giving you family and friendly advice here, all right? But remember, all right, stay away from the scammers, and it's your boy CPN SHAWTY here with another jewel. So stay tuned. If you blink, you'll miss it.